down, go down. All right, well, love you. Yep, bye.
Gonna get loud again.
Babe, if we ever built a new house, I would still use this color for like the whole wall. Are you here?
There's the shorty. Ah.
Oh shit. Well, I got paint all over my shirt, so I can't really put my coat over this. Woo!
So this one had the rounded part. So you remember how they look like the rounded thing?
Looks good, baby. Love it.
I'm gonna put. I wanted to figure out where this was. I'm gonna put a shelf. Oh, one up here.
Okay.
Okay, hit it. Hit it. Chalk. Brush. Now, it's all contained.
Alright, so you're starting right here?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's like exact. Cool.
And then we need a board here. Oh, it's a good one.
Oh, cockeyed. Oh, make sure you don't fall. Now, is the hinge going to go on this side?
Yeah.
On the inside?
Yep, it'll come this way.
So the hinge is here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, not like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So, yeah, they go in. And they just fling out like that.
Okay, so
I don't remember. One is the actual. So we'll to notch it in.
oh, you're gonna notch it in like that?
Yeah. So we'll be like right there.
Okay, and then
This will end up being flush.
oh.
Did you check upstairs in the food closet?
The food closet for what?
Something like this, but for Philip's head.
For a cross?
Yeah.
I wanted you to explain why we have flooring.
Oh, so
Sorry, I'm being a really bad cameraman. There we go.
flooring is there so that when we do the floor, it actually fits underneath instead of butting up against it and you'd have to finagle with it.
And you had to convince me.
Yeah, I had to convince you.
Okay. This is what I found in the food closet. Is that correct?
That'll work.
It'll do, donkey. It looks pretty already. It's gonna look great with the. I guess you could have jacked up the cut because there's gonna be a plate on it, right? Am I shouting? Sorry,
Yeah.
I can't hear anything with this.
In the flathead?
What'd you call it?
Flathead.
What'd you call it? Wow. Sick.
Well, it's better than white.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, you can see the box a little bit. But
Oh,
if we really wanted, we could
we can paint it.
paint it black.
Yeah.
The hinge.
So you're gonna have it go like that.
Yeah.
And then same at the bottom?
Except,
Or
okay, so the 45,
reverse it?
45 up here will be this way. 45 down here will be this way. Yeah. So it's like, it'll be like this. So it's resting in. Yeah.
Catch that? Yeah, I caught that. Okay.
Put the trace in the right spot.
Yeah.
I'm good at angles.
Wow. All right, let's get a close up of this. Okay, you want to explain? We cut it at a 45.
Cut it at a 45 so that when the door sits,
Here.
It'll hide the seam better. Still kind of see it.
So I guess we have to trim this.
Yeah, we will. Trim it down just a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah. We'll sand it. Wow.
All right, do you want to continue to do this with the openings?
Sure, yeah.
And then we'll, like, that'll be done and we can work on the doors?
Yes.
Okay.
Please.
nice to get that plate.
Metal plate.
It's to protect the electrical wires. Because this is closer than 1.25 inches.
Okay.
So when we screw, we don't accidentally screw the electrical wires. The cool thing about these is if we ever need to like get behind the wall, pop the panel out. Looks good.
Oh, looks really good. Okay, so we're pausing.
Pausing.
Okay. Pause for the cause.
Do you want to cut it? I'm going to paint this.
Oh. No, I don't trust myself to cut it.
Okay.
The jigsaw is kind of too freeform for me.
Okay.
Well, I mean, I guess it has a plate, so it doesn't need to be perfect.
Do you know where the handle?
Yes. By all the paint over there. What the heck, they're ruining
We got this piece.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at. So